Listen,
Yep.
tell everybody what we just got.
We just got the DoorHickey. This is a hands-free handle for sliding glass doors.
I love it.
Let's open it up.
See what comes inside.
No kidding.
Cool.
There you go.
All right, so we've got one microfiber cloth.
Yes.
Awesome. We got one and two DoorHickeys.
Yes.
So they're two DoorHickeys.
Yeah, one for the inside, one for the outside.
Perfect. And there's suction cup.
Uh-huh.
So you suction one on one side and one on the other.
Yeah,
That's awesome.
for hands-free sliding.
I love it. Let's try it out.
Yeah.
All right, Sin.
Yeah.
Step one, clean glass with a bonus microfiber cloth.
Okay. Oh, bonus cloth. Let's see. We're going to put it right about here. Ooh, we could use a good cleaning. Okay. Step
All
one.
right. Number two, step two, twist the black suction cup by turning it counterclockwise at least 2 revolutions.
Okay. Counterclockwise 2 revolutions. Okay. We'll give a little half for a bonus.
Okay. Step three, push the suction cup firmly onto the clean glass for your sliding door.
Okay. Let's see. I'm going to do about here.
Okay.
Okay.
And step four is turn the handle clockwise until it becomes difficult to continue turning.
Okay. There we go. It's getting a little tight. I would say we're there.
Okay. And then step five says,
I'm going one more time.
all
Okay.
right. Step five says slide the door open and close with your elbow, foot, hip, or whatever.
Whatever. Okay,
Try her
let's do
out.
the elbow. Okay, so let's see. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? This door's not always easy to open anyhow. That is smooth.
Let me try.
Okay.
So your elbow,
Yep. I just used my, yep.
that's nice.
No
Or a
kidding.
shoulder,
Shoulder, although you'd put it up higher.
for a shoulder.
You know, body
Yeah.
mechanics
Same
therapy.
thing with the hip then.
Yes, same thing with the hip. Nope,
can't
you're
get
not
a hip
doing that.
Or a booty.
That is smooth.
Yeah.